What is it, Phillips head?
Yes. No, a little bolt. It's just a little bolt. What you got? What's
Well, 8's the smallest. Is that, where's the 8? Oh, that's right, there's the 8 there. Go. I think the bicycle community developed the kind of all-in-one tool, heaven knows when, in the 60s. But my word, it's come a long way. These things, I've taken engines apart with these things.
Didn't put them back together again.
No, I just left them there. They weren't even my engines, actually.
The KTM rubber comfort pad.
That does sound like a sanitary product.
But now I've got a lovely big spiked foot peg.